How to create arrow moving infographic animation in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click in the media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Add a background node, connect it to Media Out, and change its color to white. Add a rectangle and connect it to background. Change its width and height to get a narrow line like mine and drag it to the bottom of the viewer. While the rectangle is still selected, click on Rectangle Mask again to add another rectangle afterward. Adjust the size and position of the mask to make another vertical rectangle like mine. Select the background node, press Shift plus space, search for duplicate, and add it. Set number of copies to 10 and increase center X property. Add a text plus node and connect it to the output of duplicate node to merge it. In the text area type 10 numbers and after each one press 5 spaces. Change the text style to your liking, then use size and tracking properties to move each number below each vertical line. Select the text node and press Ctrl plus C to copy it. Click anywhere to deselect it, and press Ctrl plus V to paste it. Connect the new text to the output of Merge node to add another merge. Select the new text and choose another color. Here I downloaded an arrow and I drag it into composition. Add a background node and a transform node and connect media into them and to the output of Merge node to make another merge. Select the background and change its color. Select the transform node and adjust the arrow size and position and rotation. Now we created it, and it's time to animate it. Select the first rectangle, move playhead to frame 10, and click on diamond button next to width to add a keyframe. Move playhead to the start and decrease width until you can't see the line. Move playhead to frame 20, select the second rectangle, and click on diamond button next to height to add a keyframe. Move playhead to frame 10 and set height to 0. Now we have this animation. Move playhead to frame 10 again, select the first text, and click on the shading tab. Click on diamond button next to opacity and set it to 0 to add a keyframe. Move playhead to frame 20 and set opacity to 1 to add another keyframe. Select the second text and do the exact same thing for it. Move playhead to frame 10 again and select transform node. Click on diamond button next to size and set it to 0 to add a keyframe. Move to frame 20 and increase the size. Click on diamond button next to center to add a keyframe. Move playhead to frame 90 and drag the arrow to the right on top of the last number. Add a rectangle mask and connect it to the second text. Adjust the size and position of the mask to only cover one of the numbers and increase soft edge a bit. Move playhead to frame 20 and move the mask above the first number. Then click on the diamond button next to center to add a keyframe. Move to frame 90 and drag the rectangle onto the last number. Now we have the animation, but it's not smooth. To smoothen the animation, open up Spline panel and check all the checkboxes. Click on this button to see all the keyframes. Click on this button to select all the keyframes. Click on this button to add curves to the keyframes. Now go back to Edit page and drag the composition into Timeline.